Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a heart overlay on your eyes and kind of blend it in. So go to library, or you can download it as well. I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to wait for it to download. I'm just going to also resize it and place it here. Go to mask and select circle and place it where I'm just going to place it in the middle first, and then I'm going to move the heart in the middle. I'm going to also kind of zoom in so I can see what I'm working with. Then I'm going to go back to mask and I'm going to kind of make it a little bit smaller and size it a little bit so it matches the eye. And I'm going to also feather that out a little bit so it blends with the eye a little bit more. Okay, maybe not that, but here. Go back to basic, then select the one that blends with your eye the best. Maybe this overlay one, this color burn, maybe this linear burn, this color dodge, maybe this multiply one, or this hard light one. And I'm also going to resize it a little bit so it doesn't look super fake. And that's it. You can do it to the other eye. If she moves, make sure you keyframe it. She does move and blink, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!